Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a chatty get ready with me. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching.
How'd you get the box?
Because I'm a box. It has like a yeast infection.
Oh!
Before I actually start this video, I just wanted to tell you guys I'm not a makeup artist, and I'm sure I do things completely and utterly wrong. I don't watch makeup YouTube tutorials or anything like that at all, but I thought it'd be cool to just do kind of like a chatty get ready with me, because I've had some of you guys ask me I do my hair in the loose waves and how I do my face. So I thought I'd just show you guys while I'm getting ready for a birthday tonight. I'm actually going to quickly wash my brushes because that shit is looking crazy. But first, I'm just going to put a little bit of moisturizer on. I personally use the Dermalogica one. I've already washed my face and stuff. I just went and had my eyelashes done. I haven't had eyelashes in so long. I'm well and truly high as fuck off that, so that's awesome. But at the moment I'm using the NARS Radiance Primer for my primer. Opinions, it's okay. I'm not really too fond of it. Now I've done that, I'm just thinking I might actually just do my eyeshadow first. Oh no, I just ripped my fucking nail off. Awesome. Going to a party tonight and I don't usually use eyeshadow very often, but hey. It's a party, so just gonna put some foundation on my eyelids because I've got really thin eyelids. The veins. I don't actually have setting powder. I just use the MAC Studio Fix one. That's wrong. I know you're not really meant to do that, but I don't have setting powder, so that's all I use. This is why I don't wear fake nails. We're gonna go shoot some content today for our watch company and just for our personal pages, so I thought no better time to just do my makeup for tonight because I'm lazy. Free one that comes in with the Urban Decay, which is most likely off, but you know, a girl's gonna do what a girl's gonna do. Grab, it broke by the way, grab shade Undiscovered and mix it in with Unreal, these two, and I'm just gonna apply that on my lid with my finger. I feel this is how I get in there, using brushes on my eyelids. Oh my god, these eyelashes are so hard to get around. Always use a brush to kind of go in there. I love this so much. It's amazing. And I'm going to go in with the shade Sourced. I'm just going to blend that over my eyelids. Oh, lovely. So it's an all white party tonight. So I'm gonna do some kind of like reds, some pretty reds on my eyelids, just to make it pop a little bit. The main one is like what made me switch from Instagram to YouTube. If you haven't seen my welcome to my channel video, that kind of says mainly why but I do feel like Instagram's very 2D and I don't really get to show my personality, I guess, as much as I would like to. Yeah, I kind of thought it'd be cool to make a YouTube channel just cause. You can actually look back on and be like, dope, we had such a cool time, we had such an awesome time filming this video, or going to this place, or doing this, or doing that. And I think it's really cool, just even with getting IRA, stuff like that, just documenting more, you know? Like I feel like with Instagram, it's all about going out and creating some extravagant content and darkening it. Very nice, looking beautiful. I'm gonna rub that up there so it's actually a straight line and clean off underneath my lash. Ah, fuck me. Oh, this is going well. Like I feel like it really sets into all your little tiny lines and stuff. It's probably because I put way too much concealer on, but hey. So I'm actually using the NARS, what is this even called? Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I fucking love it. Complaining on my stories that the MAC Studio Fix one, Studio Fix? I think that's what it's called. Foundation kept oxidizing on my face really bad. And it looked really good when I put it on, but then an hour later it looked fucking terrible. Same with the Fenty one actually. I'm not going to take that up under my eyes too much. Here, what I have to live with. Sachi, are you part of this family or not? My fucking favourite shit in the entire world, the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. If you have like bad rings of shit under your eyes, there is nothing better than this. That shit up. So you guys, I'm like the most basic bitch ever, and I just use your standees, your MAC and your NARS. If you guys have any recommendations for makeup that I should try, definitely let me know. I'm gonna go through and brighten up the inner corners of my eye. Oh yeah, ha ha, we got that shine. So I put a little bit of highlighter on before I put my blush and stuff on, just so it kind of looks like it's set into my skin. And then I just put more on after as well. That shine, that glow life. It's a very old MAC Soft and Gentle, the OG. Well, no, so I don't usually contour it, but I do know a lot of beauty people like to make it look like they can't breathe at all, but I like breathing. Now I'm gonna go in with the contour. So I actually take like a big fluffy brush. I've started doing this lately, actually, and then I kind of put it around the perimeters of my face, and then I go in and like contour down there a bit more as well. So yeah, for this I'm gonna just do the whole 3 thing. So just shading in there. More of a contouring kind of brush. And just chisel out my cheekbones. I prefer the kind of orangey kind of ones, especially with this kind of colour eyeshadow, but that's fine. Smile, cause the world is great. Smile, cause you can't fake your face. I'm just gonna go in with like way more highlighter, cause we are about that life. On my eyebrows. See what I mean? I'm just gonna take some of the eyeshadow colour and put it underneath my eyes. And with a MAC brow pencil. It has a wand on the other end of it, which is great. A little bit of the old all-nighter. I'm just gonna like fill in that little gap with the pencil. I still go on with the pencil afterwards. What's that? This stuff. Cabrow! That's actually what it's called. I'm just gonna use a Sigma small angle edge brush. Questions about us actually. If we're gonna get engaged, if we're gonna get married, when we're gonna have kids. I don't really like talking about the whole kids thing just because I feel like I have a friend that can't actually have kids, and it breaks my heart when people ask her if they're gonna have kids, and it's like, well, you don't know that. Like obviously like Josh and I are lucky enough to not have a problem with that, well, hopefully, but I just feel like it's kind of quite a harsh question for people to be asking, really. Company and buy a house this year, so, and buy a silver Bengal. Like I could have just got a normal brown Bengal, but no, we wanted a silver one. Speaking of her, we pick her up soon. We pick her up really soon. On the 10th of, well, we're actually meant to pick her up on the 10th of December, but it's my mum's birthday on the 14th. So I'm gonna go down and see her on the 13th of December, and she's actually gonna pick Ira up. That's what we're naming her, Ira. So mum's gonna go pick Ira up and then bring her back. And then she's gonna start harness training her, because we're gonna take her everywhere. So, and I will usually just put like a lip balm or something on. I think for tonight I might put some kind of lipstick on. My makeup all done. Just really simple. Alright. Alright, let's do something to this absolute mess of a thing. Okay, I'm just gonna brush it up. You guys don't want to see that, so I'm just gonna. I'm gonna use the wand today because I find they last way longer. Oh, it's really annoying me. I always curl away from my face, because if you curl towards your face, it can make your face look smaller, and I feel like I already have a really small head, so we're not gonna do that. Do the same with the other side. Grab chunks, curl away. I know a lot of people just curl it all the same way, but I like to curl each side the same kind of way, because I like to have it off my face, and then around the back I curl it off my face on the left side, because I always have more hair around the left. I should mention I do use the wide straightener for like these little super curly bits. I just turned it on so it's not gonna work. But I'll head to here down. I'm only gonna pull my fringe up, not the back part of my hair, because I actually want to curl that in with the other parts, because the very back of my hair at the top, I used to have it layered, so I have to blend it. Wow. Oh, another question that you guys ask quite a lot is what I use to edit my videos. So I actually use Premiere Pro. So we use Lightroom for Instagram as well, and so we're already paying for it. Manager actually told me I should be using, well, suggested that I should be using Final Cut Pro, because I have a Mac and it's way easier to use. But I trialed it and stuff, but I know it's easier to do like little effects and things. But I'd rather take the time and just like learn how to do the little effects and that kind of thing on Premiere as well, because I feel like you can do more with Premiere, and I mean, I'm already paying for it anyway. I'm gonna put a little bit of hairspray in it, because it has to last a long ass time. Just a little bit. I just hate hairspray. I just find it really gross. It feels disgusting. I take a teasing brush that I got off a fly. Thank you, Emirates. Shout out to Emirates. Just kidding. And I'm just gonna back comb a little bit of this under here, just to make it a little bit bigger. Grab this and just straighten up until about halfway. I'm gonna curl that back. Depends how curly you want it, but if you want it super curly, like super waved back off your face, then go up over your head. Does that make sense? So instead of like curling it back here, curl it back like this. Go back in with the curler, and the bottoms of those little bits we're just gonna put some super loose waves in. Done. I'm just gonna put a little bit more hairspray in. Yeah, done. This is my look for today's content, and probably for my party tonight. I might put some lipstick on and darken up my eyes a little bit for tonight's white party. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely let me know if you'd like me to do a proper hair tutorial. This is just like a really rushed kind of thing. If you haven't already, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and definitely let me know down in the comments what videos you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in my next video.